Fabric is so expensive. So I splurged on some fabric and here I'm going to open it with you and look and see. These are some of my newer prints, but also some of my older prints. I decided to try some new ones. I've been ordering samplers for $5 in different fabrics because they're constantly coming out with new fabrics. And I ordered a sampler box maybe 4 or 5 years ago, and they don't even have the same fabrics as they did back then. So this way I get all my samplers and then I can feel and see what they look like. And I really like the seersucker, the cotton lawn, and the cotton poplin. So that was what I went with this time. And I got, this one was called Foursquare. I think I made this in 2018. Polka dots and diamonds. So, and this is seersucker. I thought this would make a good 4th of July like party dress, maybe something cool since it's seersucker. We'll have to see because these are all on white backgrounds. They may be a little bit translucent. Actually, that one I think is okay. Let's look at the others and see what we think. Okay, so this is Alien Twins. Aliens Twinning was what I named it. We went to Roswell, New Mexico in January. We drove there from Ohio, and instead of buying a bunch of stuff, I like to draw. So this was my souvenir, and this is the cotton poplin. Right now it has not been washed. It's feeling a little stiff. It may have that thicker body, but that's kind of what it looks like from far away, kind of checkerboardy, which is pretty cool too. But when you get close, they're cute little aliens in dresses, and you know how I absolutely adore dresses. And last we have Don't Box Me In, I think. Um, it's a window print. So, and I got it in cotton lawn, which this should wash pretty softly for something flowy. It is a quite bit translucent. So I don't know if you can't really see towards the light. I don't know. In different light, it may be translucent. When I'm looking out, it's a little tiny bit opaque, but we shall see. So these were the fabrics that I splurged on and got